Welcome back, fashion lovers. In today's video, we are diving into the world of fashion for 2024, focusing on the latest and the most beautiful girls' clothing designs. If you are as passionate about fashion as we are, you are in for a treat. This year is all about bold styles, passionate about the fashion. Welcome back, fashion lovers. In today's video, we are diving into the world of fashion for 2024, focusing on the latest and most beautiful girls' clothing designs. If you are as passionate about fashion as we are, you are in for a treat. This year is all about bold styles in create details and a wide range of options that cater to every taste and occasion. Whether you are looking for a casual outfit, something for special event, or trendy styles influenced by global fashion movement, 2024 has it all. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's take a deep dive into the fabulous and world of girls fashion. First up, we have exploring the latest trend in casual wear for 2024. Casual designs are all about balancing comfort and style. Gone are the days when casual meant plain or boring. This year, designs are vibrant, fresh, and incredible chic. We are seeing a lot of light, breathable fabrics that make these outfits perfect for everyday wear. Whether you are out running errands or spending a lazy afternoon with friends, take the pastel colored cotton dress for example. They are absolutely adorable and come in soft, eye catching shades that are easy on the eyes but still make a statement. These dresses are versatile too, meaning you can wear them almost anywhere, from a stroll in the park to a casual meetup at your favorite cafe. The simplicity of the design doesn't take away from their charm, rather, it emphasizes the effortless beauty that's so trendy right now. Let's talk about prints, especially floral prints, which are making a major comeback in 2024. If you are someone who loves to keep it fun and fresh, you will adore the floral dress in 2024. These dresses are light, flowy, and radiate positive energy. Imagine stepping out in a breezy floral dress on a warm, sunny day, paired with some comfy sandals or sneakers. The floral prints are versatile and timeless, so whether you are heading out for a casual lunch or an impromptu shopping trip, these dresses are an ideal choice. There's a reason floral prints are classic. They never go out of style and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Plus, they are perfect for creating a youthful, fresh look that's ideal for girls who want to stay trendy while keeping it laid back. But what if you have a special occasion coming up? Don't worry, 2024 has you covered with a stunning array of footwear. When it comes to special events, everyone wants to stand out, and the new designs this year make it easy to do just that. Imagine slipping into an elegant evening gown that feels like it has made just for you. One of the highlights this year collection is the long, flowing frocks that exclude glamour and sophistication, make an unforgettable entrance. Picture a shimmering gown with delicate beading and a flowing silhouette that says elegant with every step you take. The beauty of these gowns is that they come in a variety of color, from soft pastel shades for a romantic vibe to bold, vibrant hues for those who want to make a bolder statement. No matter your style preference, these dresses are designed to make you feel like a princess. And if you are into the latest trend, you won't want to miss the influence of Korean fashion in this year collection. Korean fashion has taken the world by storm, and it is to see why. The styles are cute, chic, and youthful, often featuring playful patterns and interesting textures that make them stand out. For 2024, Korean inspired dresses are all about layering and versatility. The think pleated skirts, oversized sweaters, and unique prints that bring a playful, carefree vibe to your wardrobe. Korean fashion is known for its innovative approach to style, mixing traditional elements with a contemporary flair, and it's perfect for girls who love to stay ahead of the curve. What's great about these designs it's their flexibility. You can mix them with many tops, skirts, and accessories to create a look that's uniquely yours. Whether you are a fan of the K-pop aesthetic or simply appreciate the creativity of Korean fashion, there's plenty to love in this year collection. While dresses are the star of the show, no outfit is complete without the right accessory. That's why you are also shining a spotlight on footwear. In this video, a beautiful dress deserves the perfect pair of shoes, and 2024 brings us a romantic, fantastic range of options. Whether you are into elegant sandals, trendy sneakers, or glamorous high heels, there's something for every outfit and occasion. Imagine pairing a breezy floral dress with some cute with sneakers or casual day out, or maybe some sparkly sandals to add a touch of glamour to your outfit. Our footwear is an essential part of the overall look, and this year designs are all about making a statement while keeping comfort in mind. In short, 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year for girls fashion. The new clothing designs are all about expression, individuality, and confidence. Whether you are into soft pastel, bold prints, or shimmering evening gowns, there's look for everyone. Fashion is about more than just flowing trends. It's about finding pieces that make you feel amazing. And this year collection is designed with that in mind. So whether you are looking to update your wardrobe with some cute casual dresses, or you want to stand out at your next special event with your dropping gown, 2024 has something for you. We hope you enjoy this look into the latest girls clothing design. Make sure to subscribe for more fashion inspiration and let us know in the comment which style you are exciting to try out. In short, 2024 is shaping up to be a groundbreaking year for girls fashion filled with endless possibilities and creative expression. This year collection celebrate individuality, empowerment, and the freedom to experiment with bold colors, timeless prints, and elegant design that make every girl feel like her best self. Whether you are all about soft romantic pastels, daring patterns, or jaw-dropping gowns that command attention, there's look for every occasion, personality, and mood. Fashion in 2024 is all about more than just looking good. It's about embracing who you are, telling your story through your clothes, and stepping into the world with confidence. Imagine slipping into a piece that makes you feel unstoppable. Whether you are headed to a casual brunch, a day at the park, or a glamorous event where all eyes are on you, this year designs are not just about flowing trends, they are about creating moment, memories, and experiences that last a lifetime. The best part, you are get to curate your own style journey with pieces that reflects your unique taste and personality. So fashion lovers, as we wrap up today video, remember 2024 is your year to make a statement. Whether it's a with cute breezy dress or an elegant gown that turns heads, let your wardrobe be a reflection of your fearless spirit and you love for fashion. We hope this deep dive into the latest girls' fashion trend has left you feeling inspired and excited to embrace the style of the season. If you are ready to take your fashion game to the next level, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more fabulous content, styling tips, and trend updates. Drop us comment below and share which style you are most excited to rock this year. And remember, fashion is your personal art. So step out boldly, embrace your uniqueness, and let the world be your runaway. Until next time, fashionistas, stay stylish, stay confident, and always keep shining.